Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here we have a lovely square root expression. The square root of a times the square root of a times the square root of a, and so on. So how to find the value of such expression? So let's say, or to represent this expression, let's say x, which is equals to the square root of 8, the square root of 8, the square root of 8, etc. So if you squaring both sides, this one is x, that means x squared. This one is 8 square root of 8 square root of 8. So square. So this one is x squared, which is equals to 8 the square root of 8 the square root of 8, and blah blah. So this square root of 8, the square root of 8, and the square root of 8, this one is represented by x. This one is represented by x. So this expression is x equal to x. So this x squared, which is equals to 8 times x, or 8x. So divide both sides by x. Here we have divide both sides by x. So this x cancelled by this, and this one is cancelled by this one. So what's left? X is equals to 8. This is your correct answer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more video. Thanks.